Okay, that's a very useful tool for the exhaust hair. What I ended up doing is I took this and I insert this into the hair, and I had to bend the metal part all the way down so I can put the exhaust hair on the car. That's actually very useful. What I did is I took a extension, 3/4 extension, and a socket, okay, thin enough to be able to insert and bend it. Otherwise just really be very careful with that exhaust hair. Make sure you do it in the right order. Don't take the top part off. Keep the top part on, get the bottom part off, and then at the end it'll be easier to put it back. If you take the top part off and don't put it back, after you put the hitch on the car, it would be impossible to put the exhaust back. So that's really useful. Let's see, anything else? Yeah, not really. It's just ratchets and sockets to put the bolts on the hitch. And the jack is useful. I used this jack. Basically, I put the hitch on the jack, and then I lift the hitch to the car. Okay. So again, that part is useful for the exhaust hair. I think the difficulty really is the exhaust hair. That's really the difficulty installing this hitch. And that's the tool. That is super useful. Exhaust. Again, the sockets are 17 and 19 millimeters. Okay. There are two kinds of bolts.